Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Educational Alliance. Dive into the world of limitless creativity with our latest tutorial on the Canva Ai Image Generator. In this video, we'll guide you through the fascinating process of transforming text into stunning AI-generated images using Canva's cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting your creative journey, Canva Ai Image Generator opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. Watch as we break down the steps, providing a detailed walkthrough to help you seamlessly craft visually captivating artwork with just a few simple clicks. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence as we showcase the remarkable features of Canva's AI Image Generator. Turning your imaginative ideas into reality. Learn how to input text, customize styles, and generate unique images that reflect your vision and style. I am Jack from Educational Alliance. So come to the computer screen, where we will do step-by-step to convert text into AI image by using Canva Magic Studio. We are Canva dashboard, where we will convert text into image. As you see, I have logged in Canva with my Gmail ID. If you do not have an account on Canva, then you may sign up Canva with your Gmail account. Okay, now click on Apps at here. And go with all apps. And scroll down. Here you see a lot of apps are available here. Each one is using for different purposes. Now click on Search tab and write IMAGE-AI and press Enter or search. Click at App IMAGE-AI. New window will be appeared here. Now click on Create a new design. And scroll down here. You see it here a lot of suggestion for create image in different sizes and different platform. You may choose as per own choice. To create custom size, click it here. And enter values here for custom size at here. Then click on Create New Design button at here. Here new tab will be open at here for creating image. Now click on See All. On this left side you see a lot of art design templates are available to use. You may select from these templates as well. So go back and write prompt or command into this tab to create an AI image. I am giving prompt at here. You may enter your prompt at here. If you do not have any idea about prompt, then you can get help from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will create prompts for you as many as you want. Okay, now select the aspect ratio of image, just click it here. Create masterpiece button at here. Okay, this app will take some time to create an AI image as per given prompt, so hold tight and wait. As you see, 2 images have been generated by this app. Now drag and drop image at here. I am setting this app as per size. We can edit this image as well for better results. To edit this image, just click on Edit Photo, and then click Adjust. Okay, at here we can edit our image in the way as we like. So I am giving some changes to make this AI image more attractive. You can do same as per choice. Okay, it's done. Now to download this image, just click on this share button. Click download. As you see, this is suggest type. Click on download button to download this image into computer. As you see, image is downloaded into the computer. That's it guys. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video useful. It really goes a long way in supporting the channel. And hey, if you haven't already, consider hitting that big red subscribe button below. Subscribing not only keeps you updated with our latest content, but also helps us grow and bring you more valuable insights. Thanks for watching this video.